Dreams do come true. Picture your financial freedom. Imagine a life where you wake up every day without the stress of financial burdens weighing you down. Financial freedom. It's a powerful feeling. It's the ability to make choices that aren't driven by financial constraints. Imagine living without constant money worries. Picture yourself confidently managing your finances, knowing exactly where your money is going. Imagine pursuing your dreams, big or small. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a new business, or simply enjoying more time with family and friends. That trip you've always wanted, starting your own business, these dreams can become a reality with financial freedom. Paying off debt and feeling a huge weight lift? It's about more than just money. It's about peace of mind and security. Financial freedom makes it all possible. It opens doors to opportunities you never thought possible. It's about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. It's about making informed decisions that align with your goals and values. You might think saving $10,000 in a year is impossible, especially if you're on a tight budget. But it's not just about saving. It's about smart spending and investing. But trust me, it's achievable. With the right strategies and mindset, you can reach your financial goals. It takes planning, dedication, and a little bit of hustle. It's about setting realistic goals and working towards them step by step. But the rewards are immense. The sense of accomplishment and the freedom to live life on your terms are priceless. Think of this as a journey towards financial security and achieving your goals. It's a path that requires effort, but promises great rewards. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's do this. Together, we can make your dreams of financial freedom a reality. The magic number, breaking down $10,000. $10,000 can seem like a mountain, but let's break it down. That's about $833 saved each month. Still a lot? Okay, how about around $28 a day? Suddenly it feels more manageable, right? The key is to find those small, consistent savings opportunities. Every little bit counts. Think of it like this. Skipping your daily latte could save you almost $1,000 a year. Amazing what small changes can do, right? Don't get overwhelmed. We'll explore practical ways to find those savings. Remember, we're in this together. Know where you stand. Facing your finances. It's the first step towards financial freedom. Before we start saving, we need to know where you stand financially. Don't worry, this isn't about judgment. It's about awareness. Understanding your financial situation is empowering. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet. This will be your financial journal, a place to track and reflect on your money habits. First, track your income. Write down all sources of income you receive. This includes your salary, freelance work, side gigs, and any other money that comes in. Next, list your expenses. Be thorough. Include everything from rent and groceries to those sneaky subscription services. Don't forget about occasional expenses like gifts or car maintenance. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This is your current financial picture. It might be a bit daunting, but it's essential to see the full picture. Are you spending more than you earn, or do you have some wiggle room? Identifying this will help you understand your financial health. This exercise is crucial for creating a realistic budget and savings plan. It's time to be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Recognize patterns and areas where you can cut back. Don't worry, we all have areas where we can improve. The goal is progress, not perfection. Every small step you take towards better financial management counts. Small changes, big impact, trimming the fat. Now for the fun part, finding savings. Look closely at your expense list. Are there areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived? Maybe it's eating out less, canceling unused gym memberships, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Negotiating is your friend. Call your internet, phone, and insurance providers. Ask for better rates or discounts. You might be surprised how much you can save. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your $10,000 goal. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. They add up quickly and make a big difference over time. Section 5, the Lottie Factor Hidden Money Leaks. Now, let's uncover those hidden money leaks. You know, those small recurring expenses that drain your account without you even realizing it. Think daily coffees, subscription boxes you barely use, or impulse buys at the checkout counter. Track your spending for a week. Write down every purchase, no matter how small. You'll be amazed at where your money is going. Once you've identified the leaks, plug them. Unsubscribe from unnecessary services, pack your lunch, and think twice before those impulse purchases. These small adjustments might seem insignificant at first, but over time, they can free up a significant amount of money to fuel your savings. Section 6. Side Hustle Power. Boost your income. Want to reach your savings goal even faster? Consider a side hustle. It's a great way to earn extra income and boost your savings potential. Think about your skills and interests. What services could you offer? There are countless options: freelance writing, virtual assistant work, online tutoring, pet sitting, or even selling handmade crafts online. The possibilities are endless. Dedicate a few hours each week to your side hustle and watch your savings grow. Remember, a side hustle doesn't have to be forever. It's a temporary boost to help you reach your financial goals faster. Section 7. Automation is key. Make saving effortless. We're creatures of habit. Make saving automatic, and you won't even have to think about it. Set up a system where a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings account each month. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Just like paying your rent or bills, prioritize your savings. You can even automate your side hustle income to go directly into your savings. Automation takes the effort out of saving. It's a powerful tool to help you reach your $10,000 goal without even breaking a sweat. Section 8. Celebrate milestones. Stay motivated. Saving takes discipline. It's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Set smaller milestones within your big goal. For example, celebrate when you reach $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, and so on. Reward yourself for your hard work. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Enjoy a nice dinner, buy yourself a small treat, or take a weekend getaway. These small rewards will keep you motivated and prevent you from feeling deprived. Remember, you're making incredible progress towards your financial freedom. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Section 9. The culmination of your financial journey. Your $10,000 adventure. What will you choose? Congratulations! You've worked hard, stayed disciplined, and now it's time to reap the rewards. You've reached the end of this savings journey. Can you believe it? It's a testament to your dedication and smart financial planning. You've successfully saved $10,000 in just 1 year. This is no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Feel that sense of accomplishment wash over you. It's a moment to celebrate and reflect on how far you've come. You've proven that with dedication and smart planning, anything is possible. Now the exciting part begins. What will you do with your newfound financial freedom? The world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. Will you finally take that dream vacation? Imagine the places you could visit and the experiences you could have. Invest in your education or start that business you've always dreamed of. This could be the seed money that changes your life. Or maybe you'll use it to pay off debt and feel the weight lift off your shoulders. Imagine the relief and freedom that comes with being debt-free. The possibilities are endless. The choice is yours. So tell me, what will your $10,000 adventure be? The journey has been incredible, but the destination is even more exciting.